Hello, I am the Snoo, and this is episode 1 of my Let's Play Minecraft Beta 1.8 series. Um, this is actually a seed, that I got. I tried making new worlds, just randomly generated ones, random seeds, but they kept dumping me in the middle of the forest. You can't see anything in the middle of the forest. You know, I mean, I'd look around like I don't know where is anything. I don't know where anything is. So I went surfing through the boards, and at first I thought about getting one of the maps where they're like, here's where the strongholds are, here's where the blah 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 whatever. But I decided to just get one with some nice mountains. So this one has some nice mountains. Pretty waterfall right there. And there's some mountains over there too, and also a lot of mushrooms. And that's fun. So, ooh, so let us play. Let's see here. Whoa, a bit laggy there. So, yeah, we all know what happens now. I think at this point we will fade out and come back when I have established myself to a certain extent. I'm not going to go exploring or anything. I don't really know a whole lot about this seed other than that there were mountains near spawn and you weren't in a forest. So I really can't say what's around or what's near, but I'm not going to go exploring or anything like that. I'm just going to build something. I don't know. Maybe I'll find a cave. From what little 1.8 I've played, it seems that everywhere you go, you have to... Man, look at all these mushrooms. You have to be careful not to fall into holes. So I will be right back. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. This is my abode. Oh dear. Excuse me for one moment. I sneezed. Let's see. As you can see, this is the brick. It's not the texture for the cobblestone from the Coterie Craft texture pack that I use. This is the stone brick, which is what this furnace over here and this furnace was doing. Which is cooking stone, for stone, makes a brick. It's like sand and sandstone, only it's smooth stone and stone brick. But, yeah, I actually kind of like it. Or, well, let me rephrase it. I like it a lot. I think it's awesome. I mean, that was like one of the huge sells for me on the Coterie Craft texture pack, was that the cobblestone looked like this. You know, it's like, why can't we have stone bricks? Drove me nuts. But anyway, so now we've got stone bricks. And I can make stairs out of them, and half blocks. It's gonna be so awesome. But anyway, where am I? If you hang on, let me adjust. Hello, Mr. Skeleton. Let's see, video settings. I'm kind of doing my brightness there. Okay, if you look across, you can, if the chickens and the pigs and the skeletons get out of the way, you can see barely that swamp. That is the swamp that I spawned in over there. And if I had my my render distance on far, which I do not, because about 10 seconds after I turned off the recording to come build this place, it crashed due to memory while I had my rendering on far. But anyway, if I did have my render on far, you would probably see that mountain that I spawned next to. So if I look directly at the mountain that I spawned next to, right after I spawned and walked backwards, this is where I would end up. Which, in case you're wondering, is... Screw you, skeleton. Is a very large, in fact, a much even larger mountain. And, oh, you can't see it, but there's a really, trying to get just like the corner of my vision. Nope. There's a really cool overhang right up there, and I'm definitely going to do something like make some stairs up there and, I don't know, make an observatory or something. I don't know. But anyway, what I'm doing here is I am going to see what's on the other side of the mountain. So, I will, again, pause the video, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Well, barely had I stopped the recording to keep digging, and I found, I don't know what this is, it's probably nothing. Or it could be something. That's a creeper. Those are skeletons and creepers. Is it becoming daytime or is it becoming nighttime? I can't tell. Ah, get away from me! Ah, there's my sword. Ouch. Jerk. Wow, did they toughen up, Did they toughen up smooth stone? I should have left a crater. Left a one-block hole. Well, and I guess it knocked down some of the ceiling stuff, but... There's another one. Kind of like the noise the experience orbs give you, or make when you pick them up. They don't give you the noise, they make it. Where are you? Oh, you're stuck under the tree. I hear something behind me walking! Okay. So, oh, hey, I didn't even... There's like a bridge. Sweet. I'm gonna definitely do something with that as well. You guys, in the comments, like, as this series goes on, you need to remind me, alright? When I say, oh, I'm definitely gonna do something with that, if I don't do something with it for a couple episodes, like 3 or 4 episodes, make comments. Hey, I thought you were gonna do something with whatever, with that land bridge, with that overhang. Oh, let me show you the, since it's daytime. I think that skeleton's gone. Let me do a quick, yeah. But anyway, yes, remind me, so I do not forget. Because I will forget. I'm a forgetful person. Okay, he's not coming for me. I had a boat in that little thing there, but Mr. Skeleton Jerk broke it. Anyway, this is the mountain that I'm in. There's that overhang I was talking about. And there's the swamp that I spawned in. And there's some more mountains over there. Got some more overhangs and sort of an arch thing going on. And there's a floaty bit, and there's another floaty bit up there. I don't see any floaty bits over this way. More swamp. Yeah. So this is my humble home. There's that land bridge. Remind me. What is that? You guys see that right there? Is that... What is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, it went away. I need to put some light out here so things do not spawn on my doorstep. Let's see here. Whoa, hey now. Ah! Can I get back up? Yes, I can. Alright, what was I doing? I was gonna... Whoa, don't want to go down there. Let's put one right there. Put one right there. There. Put one right there. And we'll put one right here. And we'll put one... Where's my torch? Did I pick it up? Oh well. Let's see, put some torches over here. And by the way, point of note, when you are lighting up an area... Oh wait, give me your string. Whoa! I didn't know you could do that in water. Okay. What was I saying? If you're trying to light up an area so things don't spawn, on the ground, not on walls. Or if you do want to put it on a wall, put it on the bottom of the wall. Because put it up here, you're denying less square area as spawning ground. So, on the ground, that's where you put the torches. That, because I'm trying to light up those little ledges up there. Some more torch. Whoa! Wow, oh, I gotta keep clicking. That's right. Whoops. There. If, let me think, what was I saying? Oh, yes. To, place blocks and, you know, point your sword at something and swing, 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 swing. You can't do that anymore with one click. You gotta... Ooh, clay. More clay, actually. There's some clay literally right under my doorstep. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, you have to keep clicking now. Like, watch. If I click and hold it... Well, he's a bad example. He'll just die. You. See? And it won't... I'm holding it. I'm holding it. And if I go to other things, it'll go, but... Not to him. Okay, anyway. More lighting up. Lighting up, lighting up. Get some of this up here. Lit up. That's right. Use all my torches. I'll light this up in a more orderly fashion sometime in the future. Oh, hello. Caves. Ooh, coal. I am so short of coal right now. Anyway. Oh, it's just a little, well, coal. Anyway. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I want you guys to say things. Say, you should do this, you should do that. Again, maybe I'll ignore you, maybe I won't. It's my world. I get to decide. You don't like that? Make your own LP. Please do. I like watching people's LPs. I like to watch a lot of the big guys, Co-Star and Pulsaurus Jr. and Minecraft Chick, but I like to watch a lot of the smaller people too, or maybe not necessarily smaller, but less well-known, like Ethos Lab. I know a lot of people don't even know who he is or what he does. People who watch my channel probably have heard me mention him before. He basically, he's a mad scientist. He doesn't like laugh maniacally in the dark or anything like that. He doesn't have a mad scientist laboratory or something like that, but his channel is basically him doing crazy stuff. Well, not crazy, but like inventive stuff. Whoa. In Minecraft, making things do stuff. Yeah, he designed a mob sorter for his mob trap. That it sorts out the passive mobs. So here you'll have sheep, there you'll have cows, blah blah blah. He also designed a hostile mob sorter, but it only works if you're standing inside of it. But still, that's pretty awesome. And of course, you can always sort out the spiders. But you know, but I also like his name is Nephilim89, I believe. I like him. He's the one who inspired me. I probably mentioned him in my Better Than Wolves Let's Play. He's the one who inspired me to kind of load up with all those different mods. He uses a similar mix of mods to me. He has Mo Creatures, and he does not have Buildcraft. But other than that, it's the same. He has Better Than Wolves, Zeppelin. He's the one who... It was from him that I learned about Zeppelin mod. He has Zeppelin, Better Than Wolves, and Seasons. But anyway, I think I'm going to cut it off right here. And I will see you guys later. Comment. Say things. Give me suggestions. I need somebody to stimulate my brain. My chest sucks. It opens up the wrong way. That is so lame. It's supposed to open up that way. Lame chest. Alright. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.